underneath that fold. Better get your pick, get a lickety split, because the golds are running down the creek, and I gotta find it. Yeah. The gold is running down the creek, and I might find it. Andy got the sluice box, Brian got the pick, Dan man grab them sniffer bottle, man just grab it quick, because I found a nugget, a little brown nugget. Mikey grabbed the metal detector, Bryson grabbed his pen. We're going down Pond the Creek. Come on down, Polly mine. We're finding them a nugget.
Go.
Finding them a nugget.
One I can hold.
Finding them a nugget.
Something so big.
Finding them a nugget.
Right from the creek.
Man, you better grab your video camera, 'cause you're gonna come miss the shot. I hope you didn't charge your batteries. You're gonna say, oh, bumbleclot, because I found a nugget. I might find a nugget.
Then go, oh, oh, oh.
I might find a
A
nugget.
nugget of gold.
Nugget, nugget, nugget.
I can hold.
Yeah.